Hello, welcome to ECBSC online classes. Let's learn about sector of a circle. Let us consider a circle of radius r centered at O as shown in the figure and mark points A, B and C on the circle. And let's draw lines OA and OB such that the circle is split into two regions. Those regions are called sectors. The sector in yellow color is called sector AOB and the other sector is called sector OBCA. Please take a note of that. Let's say that sector AOB subtends an angle theta at the center of the circle as shown in the figure. Since theta is less than 180 degrees, we call the sector AOB as a minor sector. The other sector is called major sector. Let us consider a sector AOB in a circle of radius r as shown in the figure. Now the question is, what is its area? As you see in the figure, the sector AOB is obtained by splitting the circle into four equal parts, right? And we know that area of circle is pi r square. So we can write area of sector AOB as 1 by 4 times pi r square or pi r square by 4, right? Let's consider another sector, that is sector POQ. Let's find its area. Sector POQ, as you see, is obtained by splitting the circle into 8 equal parts, right? So area of sector POQ can be written as 1 by 8 times pi r square, right? So let's say that we know that a circle has total 360 degrees all the way around the center, right? As you see in the figure, circle has got 360 degrees angle, right? Now, if I say that sector subtends an angle theta degrees at the center of the circle, its area is going to be theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r square. Please take a note of this. Let's learn about arc length and perimeter of the sector now. Let's consider a sector POQ as shown in the figure, and it subtends an angle theta degrees at the center of the circle. The curved portion of the sector is called arc. It is shown using red colored line in the figure. Please take a note of that. Now, if I ask what is the length of this particular arc PQ? To answer that, we know the perimeter of a circle, that is 2 pi r. So length of arc is going to be theta divided by 360 times 2 pi r. That can be simplified and written as theta divided by 180 times pi r. Please take a note of this formula. What is the perimeter of sector POQ? As you see from the figure, sector POQ has got arc PQ and two lengths OP and OQ, right? So it is going to be equal to sum of arc length plus 2 times radius of the circle. We know arc length. So perimeter of sector POQ can be written as theta divided by 180 degrees times pi r plus 2 times r. Please take a note of this formula also. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel ECBSC online classes on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.